Sweden announces 6th-Gen fighter jets to replace Gripen. The chief of the Swedish Air Force said Russia's invasion of Ukraine and Sweden's membership in that NATO alliance are driving the service to develop a new strategy for its next-generation fighter aircraft. As a result of those significant geopolitical developments, the Swedish government boosted its 2023 military budget to 2% of gross domestic production for about 1.5%, an increase of $3 billion krona, $286.6 million. With the larger budget, Swedish Air Force Chief Major Gen. Carl-Johan Edström said his service is developing a strategy that will inform future fighter aircraft requirements. "We need to put out a new strategy as a nation for our fighter systems," Edström said in a July 17 speech at the Royal Air Force Club in London. The service expects to complete the work in November. In June, the Swedish Defense Materiel Administration awarded a 250 million krona, $23.8 million, contract to Saab to study future fighter aircraft development. Headquartered in Sweden, the aerospace company manufactures the Gripen aircraft flown by the Swedish Air Force. The service plans to begin retiring its C/D model Gripens in 2035, and Saab's study will inform its strategy for replacing those jets. Edström said that because of Sweden's position as one of 3 Western countries, alongside France and the US, with the proven ability to build a domestic fighter aircraft, he expects NATO would like us to stay in that position and be a leading nation when it comes to developing the future 5th-generation systems. Asked whether the country's NATO membership will require the service to specialize in any areas, Edström said it's too soon to tell. The alliance's 30 member countries just approved Sweden and Finland's entry this month, and the move will not be formalized until the decision is ratified by each member nation's legislative body, a process that could take a year to complete.